Hey, it's Matty here again. Just wanted to make a quick one for you. I get asked quite a lot about membership portals, I guess. Um, Somewhere where your customers can log in and access your information. Now, this particular system that I've got here, this is a ClickFunnels system, is very easy to set up. And no matter what your business, whether you've got an online business and you do training videos, or maybe you've got a brick and mortar business or a retail business that obviously you're collecting customer database, but they might be a paid member if they want to go through and pay to access special stuff or additional stuff, special deals, training videos, how to use videos, all that sort of stuff. So anything that's a little out of the ordinary. It's sort of, this way it's self-governing. So all you need to do is send them through to the portal, and whether they pay or not, they can choose a free membership. And the stuff on here, you can decipher whether you want some free stuff, and then down the bottom will be only if you've paid, and then it will only become accessible if they've paid, if they're a paid member. And even to the point where a free member might be in here and they love what you're showing, and they click on it, and it will say you're not a paid member. If you want to become a member and access this information, click here, and it will take them through automatically. All this is automatic. So I think for any business where you're offering some kind of value or product, or so definitely an online business where you've got some training, even if you gave it away for free, by having them log in, there's some exclusivity there. Definitely a retail business, a bricks and mortar store. If you've got even like a market stall or anything like that, in your market stall, there's so many people walk past you, you should have joined my club or join my newsletter, or some kind of prompt. Even if you give away a lead magnet, some kind of a prompt to get them to join your club. They can do it there and there on their phone. They can log in and do it. And then once they're in there, then they can access all the stuff you have to offer, no matter what it is. As I said, it might just be videos, how to use videos, special offers, links to download things, all that sort of stuff. So it's quite easy to set this up. You've got your basic portal, and then under each of these, you've got your lists of, you might have some videos, bunch of information, and some links down below, of course. And no matter what it is, you can pretty much populate this with whatever stuff you want. But it's just an exclusive place where your customers can log in. They'll have a unique, make your own login and password. They can log in, access it, and then all your stuff will be there listed, however you want to lay it out. So as we go on, I'll show you more examples of these sorts of funnels, but this is a membership funnel. Very easy to set up, and quite easy to use as well. So if you want one of this style of funnel, hit me up via the link below, and I'll help you incorporate it into your business. No matter what your business is, you'll have a use for it. So just hit me up and we'll get it set up for you.